Converting units is basically the changing of one unit scale to a different unit scale. So a basic example of converting units that everybody knows is, for example, feet to inches. So for every 1 foot, there are 12 inches. Expressed as a fraction, you could say that's 1 foot per 12 inches, or you could say 12 inches per 1 foot. Either way, both feet and inches are units of distance, and it's important to note that. You can't say, for example, convert between kilograms and feet, because kilograms are a unit of mass, and feet are a unit of distance. So, as another example, how tall is a 2.17 meter high ceiling when measured in feet? So the way to convert or change this value to feet is by using a conversion factor, which is basically just a special fraction where you have one value over another value. So the conversion factor between feet and meters is about 3.28 feet per meter. And our original value for this problem, the height, is 2.17 meters. So in order to convert the 2.17 meters to feet, we need to take the original value, the 2.17 meters, and multiply by the 3.28 feet per meter, which is the conversion factor. So the original value is 2.17 meters multiplied by 3.28 feet per meter. Notice that with this little equation that we have, the meters, there are meters in the numerator and meters in the denominator. Because of this, you have basically meters over meters, and they can cancel. The resulting value then will just be in feet, which remain. So when you actually do the math for this and multiply the 2.17 and the 3.28, you come out with about 7.12 feet, which is your final answer. Note that this conversion factor, the 3.28 feet per meter, is also useful for converting back into meters, should you need to. So the way you do this is you just take the reciprocal of the fraction, which basically means to turn it over, like so. So the original looked like 3.28 feet per meter. The new fraction will just look really quite similar. You'll have 1 meter over 3.28 feet. The setup is the same for converting. You take the original value times the conversion factor So the original value in this case is the 7.12 feet from above. So 7.12 feet. And then you multiply by the conversion factor of 1 meter over 3.28 feet. When you do this, the feet in the numerator and in the denominator are being canceled, and the resulting value will be in meters. And this will come back out to 2.17 meters. And just as a future reference for unit conversions, anytime you're converting, say, between mass and pounds, so going from kilograms to pounds, what you need to make sure that you do is you take your original value in pounds, or whatever unit you happen to have, and when you're multiplying it by the conversion factor, the value that you want in your numerator, so in this case kilograms, is over the value that you already have your units in, which is pounds. So notice the original value with pounds, and then your conversion factor, the denominator, is also pounds. And then your numerator, the value that you want, is in kilograms. So, want kilograms. Already have pounds. And the resulting value will be in kilograms.